Hey there, it's Jenny McGarvey, and I have a week overview in my A5 Hobonichi Cousin, and these are some stickers that I am going to use. They are all probably the oldest stickers I have, except for I have some like loose die cut stickers from Audrey Okeya, and I will link her shop up below, that are so cute that I wanted to pair with this kit. I cut the name of the shop off. I actually probably don't even think it exists anymore, but anyway, so I want to remind you that I like to do like the top third as due dates, and then the bottom as activities, appointments, things like that. As a reminder, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already. All right, so I'm going to mix it up with the full boxes, and then I'm also going to use the boxes for writing in this week. I feel like I rarely do that anymore. They have definitely gone by the wayside for me, as opposed to writing directly on the page. But you know what? I'm bringing them back this week because I still have these in my stash, and I'm all about using what I've got. So let's do it. All right, so I am staggering the boxes. I don't want them to all be lined up. I don't want them to be in the same places. I want to leave a lot of variety, so I just moved them around, and I will still write directly on the paper as well, but I just wanted to use the boxes. And so I'm planning on primarily like sort of alternating Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Sunday, I'm sorry. I will write directly on the page, and then on the other days I will write on the box stickers. So I've pulled out a handful of really neutral mild liners and Zig clean color dot markers to write on here. And I wouldn't say that I am necessarily a neutral type of person. I use a lot of color. However, it is really fun to throw a neutral week in there every now and again. Like, I really am enjoying that. All right, so I am going to also use the thinner box stickers up at the top, just a couple of them, because again, I'm looking for the variety and the alternating in between the days of the week. And also, I apologize in advance for the background noise. My dog decided that right now was the perfect time to chew on a bone, and if I take said bone away, it will just be a bigger deal. So we're gonna live with the noise, okay? All right, so I am trimming the side of the box off because these are 1.5 inches wide, and as we all know, the Hobonichi Weeks columns are ever so slightly smaller than that. So like 1 3/8 or something. So just a tad. So trimming them a tiny bit works great. Now, I usually actually don't worry too much about that. I just decided to do it for those top boxes basically for fun, like because I wanted to, but it's not necessary at all. So now I have these mild liners that I'm using to write directly on the page, and one of them that I chose is super pale, like very, very like not even beige, like cream almost. It's so pale, so you can really hardly see it. So I'm trying to stick to the two darker colors of brown just so that they are visible, because even like in real life they're hard to, that beige color is hard to see, but it's all good. I don't mind that, and I know that once I am finished with the week, there will be lots of color and lots of things going on, and this is kind of my fun spot, if you will. I am into the middle of November now, as you can tell, and I have learned a lot about being in a Hobonichi Cousin for essentially the entire year. And so I'm really looking to, I don't want to say change up what I'm doing, but yeah, kind of, because I'm finding that the daily pages, things are changing. So anyway, that absolutely changes what I'm doing in the weekly view too. So that's why I mention it. Now, these are the stickers from Audrey Okeya, and I love them so much. Like, they are just the cutest thing. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not affiliated with her in any way, shape, or form. She doesn't even know I exist, but I'm super into her art. It's so fun. And these fall stickers are just basically like the cutest. I have a thing, I really like acorns, so they're just great. All right, so I'm gonna put all 4 of these stamps across here on the top, and they're a little bit crooked, like I don't get them down totally straight, but I don't really honestly think it matters that much. Like I'm a-okay with that, so. Now I'm going to also go ahead and in the blank white spaces down below also stick just little individual stickers in those as well. And I think it just all comes together so cute. I really only picked the stickers based on that they fit in the spaces. I didn't like, oh, try to match them up or curate them or anything like that. I just chose ones that fit and that was it. And I just love it. I think it turned out so really fun. Now, I only really have one last thing to do, and I want to put in my sidebar all the things for work that are due just so I can see that at a glance. And then that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.